What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today, basically, I want to talk about how you guys can actually do product research without having to get the web app. I know it's expensive. It's what, $40 a month or $39.99 a month. Um, but guys, even if you don't want to spend that money, you can really just pay the $40 and then grind on it for the whole entire month to find a good product, because you will in the web app. However, this is for people that don't really want to spend money at all. Honestly, I think this method is probably it can be number one or it can be number two in my opinion. Like when it comes to the best product research methods, because you're basically going to be finding products that recently just came out and are already doing well and are already on the bestseller list, etc. So, guys, we're gonna get straight into this. Make sure you hit the like button down below. Make sure you subscribe and try to recommend videos to me once you guys want to see, because I'm always open for recommendations. So going straight in, um, what you guys want to do is go on Google. Make me smaller here. Go on Google, type up Amazon best seller new releases. After you search that, just click on that. And guys, honestly, this is a really good method. I found many products doing this, and I already have kind of a good list of products that I'm going to look more into in the future. So when you go here, of course, you go back to any department. Um, and usually I say in arts and crafts, baby, beauty, personal care. Or of course, you have to. This is a gated category, so you have to apply for that. But guys, let's just say home and kitchen. It's going to show you products that are just released that are doing well on Amazon right now. And basically, once you go to these categories, you're going to be seeing products that are probably a little bit competitive. That's why you got to go more niche specific and go deeper into this department. So let's go into I don't know, kitchen and dining. So if you go into kitchen and dining, and then you can go into more specific categories like home brewing, wine making, kitchen and table linens. Um, Let me see what else. You can scroll all the way down, go into the next page like that. And you just basically scan the page and look for products that have low reviews, and are products that you think that you can get into. Um, I'm still looking here. Probably go deeper into the categories if you can. So maybe storage and organization, and see if you can go through all these categories and all these subcategories. Take the time to actually do that. You'll be able to find a decent amount of good products. I'm doing this all live, so this is like live product research for you guys. Um, oh yeah, this was a good one. So the empty slime storage containers. Now, the slime thing, the slime store, or the basically the whole entire slime niche is it's relatively new to Amazon, especially this past year in 2018, coming up. But there's these new things, these slime storage containers, whether it's jars or these plastic little cups, and you can basically get them for like really cheap on Alibaba. But these, like the slime storage containers, I'll go ahead and show you guys. Slime storage jar. And then you can make sure you guys get, if you are going to spend anything on, if you're going to spend anything on Amazon tools, make sure it's the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. It can be the Lite or the Pro, because you definitely need that. If you don't have it, it's going to be much harder to determine, how many sales a product is doing a month, or how many, how much revenue it's doing a month, and determining how much they're making off their bestseller rank and all that other stuff. So if we're going into this product, let's see here. This one's not doing too well. These are all a lot of them in arts and crafts. The one that I saw that was doing actually really good was this one and this one. Um, this one's doing really well as well. Empty slime storage, and then it was this one which we just looked at. Um, you'll be able to find these products on Amazon too. Now looking at this in general, when you type the keyword in, it's a little bit iffy in my opinion. If you go and look at these slime storage containers, these aren't actually jars. They're like plastic cheap containers, which is maybe why they're doing so bad. So let's say we take those out. These are still the plastic ones. Still plastic ones. But that's another thing too, guys. If you don't have to turn down a niche or a product just because the you know the extension doesn't look good. You have to go deeper into that product niche and look at what variations there are, different price ranges, why someone might be actually selling better than someone else, and see if you can replicate that. And as for this niche, if you go on merchant words, which I already typed earlier, if you search that, I forgot how many search what was the search volume for the slime containers, but it was quite a bit. But if you search that and then put it into Amazon, a lot of these are going to show up. But if you get more specific and figure out which ones are selling the best, like for that keyword, like the slime jars instead of the actual slime plastic containers, then you'll be set. You can jump into this market, in my opinion, pretty well. And you can get them relatively cheap too, as well. Let me see. Um, I don't think this is acting. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's a cosmetic jar container. Okay, so this one is in toys and games. Now I never really there's slime jar. This one's in toys and games too. Uh, hmm, this one's a little weird. I did look at this one before, but what you guys can do is get a good like a good idea off of one product. So let's say slime storage jars. You can go look at that and scroll down here. This is the second part of the research technique. Instead of after you look at the bestseller ranks and see potential good products, you can scroll down and look at sponsored related products. So what that'll do is show you different products that are related to a certain niche that might have the same reviews or the similar what do you call that, buying behavior, similar customer buying behaviors when it comes to what other people buy compared to this product and related to this product. So literally just scroll through here, try and find something. Of course, you won't find something every single time, but that's the idea of what you're supposed to do. Um, hmm. I'm not really finding anything for this one. Um, all right, we're gonna go back and look at a different product because, like I said, you're not gonna find them every single time. You have to put in time and effort to do this because, of course, this isn't going to be as easy as probably using the web app, but it is a different product research technique. And when you do this type of technique, you're differentiating yourself when it comes to product research. You're going to be able to find products that other people aren't finding on the Amazon marketplace as opposed to like the web app where everyone's seeing the same products over and over again. Let's see. So maybe let's go back to the main home and kitchen category. Let's scroll down to see, I don't know, cleaning supplies. And then maybe dusting. I did look at this product, dusting mop slippers. I thought it was a good one. but actually isn't. I don't think there's enough demand for it, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. You know what we can actually do is, since we're not finding one yet, we can actually go into this product and go back down to related products to see what other people are buying. Looks like similar. Okay, maybe not that one. Yeah, guys, this is basically the concept, and honestly, you'll find some products. You know, this is only like what, a 10-minute video. If you spend time on this, like an hour or two, you'll find a couple of them that are recently released, or products from late 2017. Um, but if you do have the time, like check out the slime niche. There's quite a lot of good products in there, in my opinion. There's a lot of slime kits too that I saw in there that you can go source off Alibaba as well. Just differentiate it. But yeah, you guys definitely research that one because it has a lot of good products in it, I think. But yeah, that's basically this whole concept. Like it's pretty simple to do. You're definitely gonna find products other people aren't finding, which is really good. You just have to put in the time to do it, and of course, if you don't want to spend money on something, then this is the alternative for that. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. Um, and like this product right here, you can find it, the microwave plate cover. That one, you can find it on the bestseller list because there's different people selling it, but it has such low reviews because it was recently released. It says 115 reviews, but this product was released just before 2017 was over. I think it was in like late November or early December or something like that, and this product's absolutely killing it now. I was going to do it, but it does have magnets in it, so you can't. It's going to cost even more for me to source over here from China, which I didn't know. So guys, keep that in mind too. If you're doing toys or anything that's electronic or has magnets in it, it is probably going to cost more for air shipping and for freight shipping because you got to get someone to like check the item or whatever. Because it does have magnets in it. It's like a safety precaution thing, but it does cost more. So just be aware of that. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. I'm just showing you guys how I do product research and what I've learned from other YouTubers that I've researched. And if you don't want to spend money on Jungle Scout, just make sure you get the Chrome extension because you do need that. That's probably the best thing that you can go by to see if a product is good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.